Azit, Jen, Chetai, any problem before we start the new chapter? Page 61. Integration. Uh, 61. Okay, so page 61A, right? Okay. Okay, if the shader region is revolved 360 about x-axis, okay, x-axis, so that means the area, okay, if talk about area is shader, okay, both, has it both, right? Coordinate AB, do I need to explain for this one? Yes, okay. So since we do not have any other information, so we have two equation. So we have two equation here. The first one, y equal to 3 over x. Let's say we say this is equation number one. Another one is x plus y equal to 4. Hello, testing. Okay. So x plus 3 over x equal to 4. Okay. Then, okay, because the s is under here in the fraction, so we multiply, okay, multiply with x, so that the first one will become x squared plus 3 over 3, okay, 3 over x times x and equal to 4x. Okay, so far okay or not? Has it? If yes, reply me 1. All right, so this one we can potong, then x squared minus 4x equal to 3. No. Plus 3 equal to 0 because we move this one into here, so become negative. Then we factorize x. So this one is negative 3, negative 1. Let's try. Yeah. Okay. So s equal to 3, s equal to 1. So we substitute inside. Okay, let's say s equal to 3. Huh? Wait. Okay. S equal to 3 in equation number 1. Y equal to 3 over 3 is 1. That means the first coordinate will be 3, 1. Right? Then the second one, s equal to 1. Okay, we still substitute in equation 1. So 3 over 1 is 3. So coordinate number 2 is 1, 3. Then we can label it here. Okay, that means equation. Okay, I draw like this first one. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. So this one will be okay. The first one, this one is s equal to 1. 1. This one is 3. S equal to 1. Y equal to 3, and this one is 1. All right. So far, okay or not? So coordinate A will be 1, 3. B will be 3, 1. Okay, has it? If yes, please reply me A. Okay. Then the second one. Okay, second one. Volume. Okay, volume generated. Okay, if talk about volume, we normally have two options. We have two options. Either we get the volume under the y-axis or x-axis. If you want to do it under y-axis, so you have to integrate by dy. If you want to get it under x-axis, so this is under dx. So I think this one should be under dx. If under dx, so integration, this one is dx, this one is pi. So we have two value a, b, and this one is y square. Okay, it's y square. So we have two. All right, so maybe, okay, I erase this one because we know it already. Okay. Okay. Wait for one. This one I want to. Hello, hello. Okay. Never mind. As I say just now, this one is I. Okay, this one is 1. This one is 3. All right, wait me for a while. I will start the apps, the program. Okay. So this one is 1. This one is 3. 1, 3, and then okay, we try to label it by this one is the area. Let's say number 1. This is number 2. Okay. So if so, you see, we have two equation, right? This is equation 1. This one is equation 2. Okay. So in order to get the area, we talk about the area first. Okay, the area under the equation number 2. Equation number 2 is in this shape, right? Is in this one is straight line. So here have a curve. This is area 1, this is area 2. So this is equation number 2. And for the equation 1, the area is like this. The area is only number 1. Do you understand this one? Has it? So we want to get the volume for the area number 2, right? For the area number 2, right? So that means we have to get this one minus number 1. So the first one, okay, the 1 plus 2 is under x plus y equal to 4. And then minus with the area for the number 1 is equation 1, y equal to 3 over x. Okay, do you understand this one? Is it okay for you? If okay, reply me okay. All right, then we can do our integration. Okay, we can continue our integration already if you understand the concept now. So now we talk about volume. So seems like same if we look for the area. Okay, so we can separate it, or we just combine it. Never mind, we try to separate it first. The volume for equation number 1, okay, the volume for equation number 1, which is y equal to x, 3 over x. So equation for number 1, okay, okay, the area will be pi, okay, a and b will be 1 until 3, because of 1 until 3. So y square dx. Then we substitute y. Okay, y is 3 over x. Okay, square dx. Then because x is under the fraction, so we move it to upstairs. We get 3x minus 1. Okay, 3x minus 1, or actually, okay, because of the square, so we get this one 1, 3, this one is 9, this one is x square, okay, dx. Then we get still integration, we not check integrate, 9x square dx. All right, so this 9 you can you factorize out, you put outside together with the pi, or you can just keep it inside here. Both also can. If you want to move it outside, then you can get this one, right? Then we integrate x square will become x plus 1, right? X 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then over 3. Then this one is 3 until 1. So far, okay or not? Has it? If yes, reply me K. Oh, sorry. This one should be negative. This one is negative. This one negative. Because the s is under the fraction. If we want to move it upstairs, so we'll have negative, power of negative. After integrate, this one is not negative 3 already. Negative 2 plus 1 equal to negative 1. So x negative 1 over negative 1. Like this. Okay. If okay, reply me K. If not, I will explain again. Jen and Chetai, so far okay or not? Did I do any mistake? Anything wrong? Because I also very careless. Jen and Chetai, do I do any mistake here? No, right? So okay. So 9 pi, this one will be negative 1 over x. Negative 1 over x. This one 3 until 1. So I move it here. So volume number 1 will become 9 pi negative 1 over 3 minus negative 1 over 3 minus negative 1 over 1. They will get negative 1 over 3 plus 1. Then we'll get 9 pi over 2 over 3. Then this one get 3, 6 pi. 6 pi unit cube. Then volume number 2. Okay, volume number 2 is under the x plus y. S plus y equal to 4. If we do under the x-axis, so this one should be y, right? So we have to move this one there. So the equation will be y equal to 4 minus x. Okay, 4 minus x. So this one is pi outside here. This one still 1 until 3. So 4 minus x. This one square dx. Okay or not this one? Has it? If yes, reply me T. If not, reply me R. Has it? If okay for this one, reply me T. If not, reply me R. Then I will explain again. Okay, good. So this one is pi. Okay. This one will no need expand, no need expand. So this one will get 4 minus x. This one is 1 over 1. Then we differentiate this one again, minus 1. 1, 3. So pi. This one is okay. Negative lah, huh? Wait, okay. Negative 4 plus 1. Okay. 3, 1. Okay. This one is pi. Wait, negative 4 plus 3 minus negative 4 plus 1. Let me check. Yeah. This one close here also. Negative 7 plus negative 7 plus 5. Negative 2. Do I do any mistake? Let me check. This one is question. This one is question. 13. Question 13. Wait, let me check. I'm scared of my careless mistake later on, then troublesome. The first one is 6. Yes, correct. The second one is wrong. This one is 0 plus 1, 8. Oh, sorry. I do the mistake here. This one is not minus. This one is plus 1. So this one is 3. Okay. This one is 3. So this one is 3. Sometimes we might confuse we might do the mistake in the differentiation and integration. This one should be, if integrate, this one is +1, so this one becomes 3. Then this one, let me circle it. Okay, this one only we differentiate, so we get -1. Okay, this one is 1. So pi, this one should get negative 4. This one is 3 over -3. Okay, let's check now. Let's check. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, okay lah, never mind, I do it like this. This one is -3 minus 4 minus 1 cube -3. Okay, so this one will get 4 minus 1, 1 cube is 1, -1/3. Okay, negative, positive. 4 minus 1 equal to 2. 2 cube is 8, or 8/3. So this one will get 7/3 pi. Okay, 7/3 pi. Then the shaded volume will be okay, the volume equation number 2, or volume for equation number 2 minus volume for equation number 1. So 7/3 pi minus 6 pi. Wait. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay. Okay. Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong here? Okay. Never mind. Let me check again. This one is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Let me check 切带有哪里做错吗？ Let me check 3, 1, 1/negative. Okay, never mind. We check for this one. We check. We do another time for get the volume 2. Okay. If we expand it, this one is 3, 1, 4 minus x squared dx. So if we expand it, 16 minus 8 plus s squared dx. Okay, so this one is 16x minus 8 2 plus s cubed over 3, 3, 1. Okay, if we do it in this way, 16, 3 minus 4, 3, 2 plus 3 cubed 3 minus with 16, 1, -4, 1 plus 1 square. This one is 8. This one is cube. This one is cube. This one is 3. Okay. Maybe calculate. Get 16 times 3 minus 4 and 9 plus 1/3. For sun 16 3 I oh sorry 3 minus 4 plus 3 cube over 3. Okay, so this part is 21 minus with 16 minus 4 plus 1/3. 37. Okay, this one is 37/3. Okay, so 21 minus 3 is 26/3 pi. 26/3 pi. What happened this one? What happened to this one? Okay, never mind. Okay, forgot about this one. Okay, so you get for volume number 1 is 6 pi. Volume number 2 is 26/3 pi. Then the shaded volume is, okay, volume number 2. Okay, volume number 2 minus volume number 1, which volume number 2 include the equation number 1 and number 2. The volume number 1 is only equation number 1 now. So if 1 plus 2 minus 1 equal to the area number 2, then we'll get 26/3 pi minus 6 pi. We'll get 8/3. 8/3 pi. Okay, 8/3 pi. Okay, has it? Actually, the most important thing is this one, I think. No? This one. Okay, I minimize it. Okay, is this one. Oh, okay, you try to label it, the area for the number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Any more question? Any more question? Jen, do you have any question? Hello? Hello, Jen. 13B. 13B. Okay. 13. Okay. Oh. Okay. Has it, this one you okay or not? Has it? Has it? This one okay or not? Chetai okay or not, this one? Can you do this one? Not really. Okay. Okay. Haziq can do this one. Very good. All right. Actually, maybe I explain in the graph way, then will make you easier. Jen, will make you easier. Before that, I need to explain first. Okay. Okay. The radius for the can is 5 cm, whereas the height is 10. State the volume. Okay, you see the volume for the can is 250 pi ml. Volume is 250 pi milliliter. Okay, if 1 ml equal to 1 cube centimeter. Okay. Prove that the volume stated is correct by using the integration. Okay, you see, if you buy the canned food, you see the content is here. It's stated that the volume is 250 pi milliliter. Is it true? Is it correct? The answer is actually talk about, is that true? So actually we can have like this. Okay, as I say before, the volume is actually rotate either y, or if rotate under y axis will become cylinder like this. If rotated under x axis, will be cylinder like this, right? So this one and this one, up to you. So definitely for this question is the first type lah, it's not the B, the first one. So I delete the B. Then the second thing, you see the radius is 5 cm. Okay, the radius is 5 cm. That means the length for this one is 5. So the number of this one is 5. And this is a center, 0. Do you agree with it, Jen and Chetai? If agree, reply me why. Yes, good. Jen, agree or not? Yes, good. So the height will be 10. So the height, that means the y is equal to 10. Or I can redraw it. Okay, I redraw it. Will become like this. Okay, that means this is 5. This is 10. Okay, now we rotate under S or Y. Tell me, Jen and Chetai. We rotate under X axis or Y axis? Y, good. So if under Y axis, the formula will be, okay, pi AB, this is dy. So this one should be x square, right? The x square. So if under this one, so okay. If under y axis, so that means this equation, this equation. Okay. So that you see under the y axis, right? So the a and b will become 0 until 10. So this one is pi. So this one is 0. This one is 10. Okay, because under dy. So the value for the a and b is actually we have to take the value at the y axis. So clear or not? Do not confuse. Do not confuse under between 0 or 10 or 0 to 5, because now we rotate under y axis, so we get the range from the y axis. Okay, Jen, Chetai, if understand, reply me E. Good, very good. So as we know, you see, the equation for this one is S equal to 5. We do not have the equation like y equal to s squared plus blah, 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 blah. We do not have this one. So the equation for the straight line in here is s equal to 5. That means this is 5. 5 square dx. Okay. 5 square means 25. 25 dx. So now we integrate it. We do the integration. We'll get 25. Now this one, sorry, this one is y. Do not confuse. So this one is y. Then 0 until 10. That's why I say the a and b must be referring to the dy or dx. You see now it's y. That's why this value, both value is under y-axis. That's why we can substitute inside here, right? So pi 25 10 minus 25 0. So we'll get 250 pi. 250 pi unit of this one is centimeter, cube centimeter, because you see this is centimeter. And then it stated 1 ml equal to 1 cube centimeter. So the volume is 250 pi ml. That's all. Understand? If yes, reply me 3. If not, reply me 4. Okay, good. Any more question? Any more question? If no more, reply me 7. If yes, please give me the number of the question. Actually, this one just one of the sample problem solving. Like a big kebat lah, a big kebat. But in your textbook, we have some more kind like this one, right? So this kind of question you can do or not? Like in the textbook. Example in the textbook, okay or not? If okay, then I skip the Does it any more question? No more, good. Cheta and Jen, any more question? No more, no. Okay, do you done for this question already? Practice. All this you have to try lah, Otherwise, I can confirm you won't be able to answer the question in the exam if you didn't try. And all of this one is actually just a straightforward question. Straightforward question, like in the wait, let me show you some. Okay. Yes. Right. Wait. Open. Okay. Page 111. Okay. See, these are some maybe interesting question. Okay, this one. Okay, you can do this kind of question already, right? If yes, reply me 1. If not, reply me 2. Because I see few example for new syllabus already, all in this kind of question. Parabolic. So Jen and Chetai, okay or not with this kind of question? Parabolic question. You see this one is parabolic. This one also parabolic. The question B. Jen Chetai, 50-50. Okay. I explain a little bit. I explain a little bit. 50-50 okay. I explain a little bit. I explain a little bit. 50-50 okay. I explain a little bit. 50-50 okay. I explain a little bit. I explain a little bit. 50-50 okay. I explain a little bit. 50-50 okay. I explain a little bit. Okay, this one, and this one. Okay. You see, in the textbook already have 3 sample of this one. So first thing, you have to make sure you related it with the equation, which is quadratic equation. Okay, which is y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, ax squared plus bx plus c, the meanings of a, b, and c. Okay, if a is positive, negative, how is the shape? If c is equal to 0, how is it? If b equal to 0, how is it? Okay, let's say if a must have some value. If a is equal to 0, so no more quadratic. No more quadratic. Because if a is equal to 0, y equal to bx plus c. This is linear. Y equal to mx plus c. This is linear. So a must have some value. But b and c can be 0. If b equal to 0, so y equal to ax squared plus c. Okay, how is the shape for the x squared plus c? Will be like this. Will be like this, or like this. So this is c, this is c. If c is negative, so it's like this. If c is positive, so it's like this. Okay, if c is if c is 0 but b have value, so the equation will be y equal to ax squared plus b plus bx, which means, okay, if y equal to 0, that means at the x-axis, okay, something happened at the x-axis. So ax squared plus bx. So if we factorize x, so this one will be ax plus b. Ax plus b. So one of the intersect point, one of the solution, one of the value of the s must be 0, right? Then another one will be s equal to negative b over a. So far, understand or not? If yes, reply me 3. If not, reply me 4. Okay, why it is very important? Why it is very important? If, okay, if c equal to 0, that means the graph will be like this. If a is positive, if a is positive, then either like this or like this. Okay, which mean you see, this is a 0, this one. This one also 0, this one. So another one is this one. If a is negative, will be upside down like this one, or like this. This is 0. Then another one is another s value. Okay, so I didn't mean this impossible to happen in the integration for this kind of question, but most of the question will be b equal to 0 and b and c equal to 0. B and c is if equal to 0, that means y equal to ax squared. So the graph will be like this. Oh, no. Y will be like this, touching at the origin point. Or if x is negative, will be like this. You see, the intercept of at the y-axis is equal to 0. That's why c equal to 0. Okay, understand? So we come back to this question. If question number 1, you see, you look at the equation, which means b, c equal to 0. If b and c equal to 0, then the graph will be either like this or like this. So definitely this question is this one. If this question is negative for the a value, then so you see this is a diameter. This is a y-axis. So this is x-axis. So this is 0. So that means this is 50. That means this is 50. This one also 50. And if this one is 50 cm, so that means this one is 50, which means this one is negative 50. So coordinate for this and this one will be 50, negative 50. And this one will be negative 50, negative 50. The coordinate for this one and this one. Understand? If yes, reply me W. If not, reply me Q. Okay. Then we look at the question number 2. Question number 2. We just look at the equation. You see? This one b equal to 0. This one also b equal to 0. So b equal to 0 is like, you see, b equal to 0 is this one or this one. Okay. But now, because value for c is positive and a value is negative, so it's this one. It's this one. So we can draw like this. I use the red color. So this is y. This is y. Then the x-axis will be here. Like this. So this one will be 3. For this one, we have two equations. Now we're talking about this one. Then this one will be, have to see have to see the what is the value for the r, for the radius. Okay. And this one also, you see, b and c is negative. B and c is 0. So this is y-axis. This is y-axis. And this is x-axis. Like this. So this one is 0. Understand? If yes, then we can skip for this one already Okay. Then we go for the new chapter. All right. Can or not? If can, then reply me 1. If not, reply me 2. If you need more explanation for this one, you type number 2. If okay, then we go for chapter number 4. Reply me number 1. Okay, good. Hello, Chetai. You still with me now? Hello. All right. So before we start the commutation and combination, few things that you need to really understand. Then only we can go to the question. Okay, this topic is sometime will be a bit confusing together with the probability, right? Probability, sometimes you just can't imagine the question. So by actually don't have any other way lah, other than exercise lah, huh? We have to see so many cases, then only we can know how to solve it. Okay, first of all, we have to understand the meanings of multiplication rule. Do your teacher in school explain this one to you or not? If yes, reply me T. If yes, reply me T. If not, reply me U. Multiplication rule. Okay, has it? Not yet enter this chapter. Okay, never mind. We can start for this chapter first. Okay. Permutation and combination are topic in district mathematics. District data. What means of district data? District is something that we can count. We can actually count how many. How many. So example like how many cars are there? How many trees are there? How many shirts there in this right? And so on. And so on. Use of multiplication rules. Multiplication rules can use to find the number of way. Okay, number of way to do two processes or operation. Number of way maksudnya berapa banyak cara yang boleh kita gunakan. Berapa cara yang boleh kita gunakan. 有多少条路可以给我们选择的。In between, we have to do two process or operation. Okay, let's say if event A can be carried out in R way and event B can carry out by S way, so the number of carry out the way will be R times X. If just read through the sentence, I can confirm you won't understand. Okay, let's see one example. Okay, there are 4 ways travel from Lutong to Miri. That means kita ada 4 jalan yang kita boleh pakai from Lutong to Miri. Just like from your house, you have 4 ways to reach to your school. Pakai jalan ini pun sampai, pakai jalan 2 pun sampai, 3 pun sampai, 4 pun sampai, kan? Betul tak, Jen? Dari rumah kamu ada 4 jalan, you belok kiri pun boleh sampai, belok kanan pun boleh sampai. Kan, Jen? Betul tak? Betul. Bagus. So, mana satu yang nak pakai? Ada 4 jalan, mana satu you nak pakai? Mana-mana pun boleh lah, kan? So start from here, and 3 ways to travel from Miri to Tanjung. Let's say lah, okay, this one is your house. Okay, this one is your house. Okay, this one is Miri. Okay, house to school. Okay, you have 4 ways. Then you have 3 ways from school to, let's say this one is a Park Sen. Okay, Methodist very near to Park Sen, no? Find the number of ways to travel from your house to Park Sen via melalui Jingguo, your school. That means this is your house. This way you can reach. First way. Second, third, fourth. Okay, we have 4 ways to reach school. This is school. Then after school, you want to go to Park Sen. You have three-way. See, three-way go to Parkson. Okay, that means if from the house I use the first way, okay, this one I step A, B, C lah, huh? I use the first way and I reach school, and then I use the A way to reach Parkson. That means it's 1A, right? Then the second one will be you use the first way, go to school, and then you use the B. That means 1B, and then 1C. Do you understand? If yes, reply me 7. If not, reply me 8 before I continue. Okay, good. And so on. You can also use 2A, 2B, 2C. Okay? 3A, 3B, 3C. 4A, 4B, 4C. You see, from your house have 4-way. But from school to Parkson, you have 3-way. Altogether, we will have 3 times 4, 12-way. Okay? 3 times 4, 12-way. So this is multiplication. All right? Then next one. Okay. By using the following number, okay, by using the following digits, find the number of 4. You see, 4 digits. 4-digit number that can form if no digit are to be repeated. You see, this is condition. Condition. That means syarat. We have to follow it. We have to follow it. So look at the first example, A. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 digits. So find the number of way we can form for 4 digits. Let's say I give an example before I explain this question. Any of you never heard about 40 Toto Magnum? If you ever hear and you understand, you reply me A. You know. If you don't know, reply me B. Hah? Cetai, 你不懂啊 Jen, tak tahu kah Jen? Beli nombor, kata orang. Tahu? Pernah dengar kah? Beli nombor, 买万字嘛。Haziq, tahu sikit-sikit tak Haziq? Okay, bagus Haziq, yang bagus. Haziq pernah cuba beli kah? Okay. Haram. Aduh. Minta Jeng belilah. Jeng boleh beli bah. Jeng boleh beli kah? Jeng boleh. Cetai pun boleh beli. Kalau ada feel. Okay. You tengok Cetai, if I explain in BM, okay or not for you? Okay, you see Nah, kalau kita nak beli nombor kalau uncle kata, "Uyo, semalam saya mimpi ada nombor dalam mimpi saya. Hari ni mau belilah. Nombornya 4328." Ada. Dia bukan nampak nombor ini, dia nampak dalam mimpi ada nampak 4, ada nampak 3, ada nampak 2, ada nampak 8. Kan? Dia ada nampak 4 nombor, tapi dia tidak tahu susunan macam mana. Dia kata, ayah macam mana? Okeylah, tak apalah, saya beli ini sajalah. Beli 4328, beli RM1. Nanti tunggu malam nanti dia keluar 2843. Aduh, kena ke tidak nombor? Dapat nombor kah? Menang duit kah? Ini yang dibeli. Ini yang keluar. Beli kah? Dia ada beli? Dia kena nombor ke tidak? Jen? Tak. Rugilah kalau macam itu. So macam mana? Pernah dengar orang cakap pau kah? 现在有听过包字吗？ 有听过包啊 Jen pernah dengar ke pau maksudnya belilah semua asalkan 4 nombor ini ada 4 ini tahu ke Jen ambil semua dia belilah semua nombor 4328 4382 mana lagi 4238 4283 mana lagi tak tahu saya tak pernah beli aduh memang pun tak pernah beli pernah dengar orang cakap ke tidak pernah juga 接待你也是没有听过哈
没有哦
没有啊不懂啊哇这么乖啊Hazid pernah dengar sikit-sikit ke Hazid tidak juga oh yo kamu semua bagus oh okey tak apa cikgu ajar kamu benda tak baik you mesti belajar okey jadi angka mimpi ada 4 nombor tapi dia tak mau rugi kalau dia beli ini saja yang keluar 2843 dia tidak dapat nombor dia tidak dapat duit sebab mimpi nombor bukan selalu sekali-sekala jadi biasa orang akan beli saya tak beli saya tak beli beli jugalah kalau ada mimpi kalau tak mimpi saya tak beli saya bukan kaki nombor okay so katakan let's say if you buy 1 ringgit for each number. So how many money that you need to spend? How much money that you need to spend in order to buy all the possible number? So this is why we calculate this one of the example one of the example. Okay, never mind. Since all of you are very good, never buy the number, never know nothing about this one. So never mind. I skip this example Okay. Okay, never mind. Right. Okay. For this one, I back to this one How many? Find the number of 4-digit number that can be formed. 6, 7, 8, 9. So the first one I can write 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Then the second one I might write 6, 7, 9, 8. Okay, also 4-digit by no digits are repeating. No digits are repeating means 6, 6, 7, 7 like that. So each number only can use for one time. So any more? So maybe 6, 8, 7, 9. 6, 8, 9, 7. 6, 9, 7, 8. 7, 8. 6, 9, 8, 7. Okay, any more numbers start with 6? Guys, any more? If no more, reply me no more. Then we start with 7. Any digit that can be formed anymore start with 6. 6,000 plus. No more. Okay, good. No more. Then we start with 7. 7, 6, 8, 8, 9. 7, 6, 9, 8. Then 7, 8, 6, 9. 7, 8, 9, 6. 7, 9, 6, 8. 7, 9, 8, 6. Okay. Also finish already, right? No more, right? So if I miss out any numbers, then you can tell me. So we start with number 8. 8, 6, 7, 7, 9. You see, if I write 8, that means it's repeat already. This is wrong already. So 8, 6, 7, 9. 8, 6, 9, 7. 8, 7, 6, 9. 8, 7, 9, 6. 8, 9, 7, 6. 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay, finish for number 8. So now 9, 9, 6, 7, 8. 9, 6, 8, 7. 9, 7, 8, 6. 9, 7, 6, 8. 9, 8, 6, 7. 9, 8, 7, 6. Testing. Okay, can you hear my voice on? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, good. So these are all the numbers, which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 4 rows, 6 times 4, we have 24 number. That means if your uncle dream of number, then he want to buy the Toto 4D Magnum, Magnum and Toto and so on. So he need to spend 24 ringgit. For each number, 1 ringgit, 1 ringgit, 1 ringgit, 1 ringgit. He need to spend 24 ringgit to try out all his luck. So if the result for that night have any of the this one, so that means dia kena nombor lah. Itu yang kata orang, kena nombor, kena nombor. Jeng, kalau dengar orang cakap kena nombor. Jeng, kalau Hello, Jen. Kalak selalu ngigak. Okay. Okay, selalu kalau cuba nasib lah. So, ini baru 4 digit. Baru 4 digit. We only use 4 digit. So, we can still try out. We can still list down all the number. How if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit. Okay, we don't talk about form 4 digit. We want to form 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayo, you can spend so many time, maybe half an hour or 1 hour to list down all the number. So we don't want to do that. So we don't want to do that. So we have other smart way. We don't want to this one. So what is the smart way to do it? Is like this. You see, we want to form 4 digit number. So we just draw a box with 4 boxes inside here. So for the first bracket, for the first box, any number, how many number that you can fill in from here? Can we fill in 6? Can? If yes, reply me 1. Hello. Okay, good. Can we fill in 7? Can we fill in 8? Can we fill in 9? All can, right? So we have how many options here? We have 4 options. So we just write it 4 here. Okay, that means we have 4 options to fill in the first box. Okay, then the second box, you see, you look at the second box. Let's say in the first box is 6. Okay, let's say 6 already filled inside here. How many numbers that you left to fill in the second box? Tell me. 3. Good. So the answer, the option that we can fill in the second box will become 3. Let's say the first box is 6. The second box is 7. How many number left to fill inside the third box? 2. Yep, good. So let's say this is number 8. So we left only last number, one more number, which is number 9. Of course, if the first box is 7, so the second box might be, we have 8, 6, and 9. Still 3 more options, you see? Still can become 3. So the second box, let's say we fill in 8. So we still have 6 and 9 for the third. So we still have 2 options. So let's say we fill, the third one is 6. So we still have 9. So 1. That means for this one will become 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Which means this one is 12. This one is 2. So 24 options. So we have 24 options. Like just now, we list down all the numbers, also 24, right? Am I right? So this is a smart way that we can get the numbers faster? Understand? If yes, reply me G. If not, reply me B. Okay, good. So now we look at the second example. We have how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 digits. We have 6 digits, but the number that we want to form only 4 digits. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. The condition is no digits are repeated. No digits are repeated. So it's still okay. So we start from the, number 1, the first box. How many options that we can fill in to the first box? How many digits? Tell me. 6. Good. We have 6. Why? Because we can fill either 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see, we have 6 options. Okay, Jen, has it understand? Good. Then after we fill in for the first box, the second one, how many digits that left? After we fill in the first one, how many left? Good. Very good. Very good. We have 5 left. So for the third one, how many left? How many left? Of course, it's 4 and then 3, right? That means we have 2 digits that we didn't use at all. So just ignore it. Never mind. We only want to form a number have 4 digits. So the number of the 4 digits number will be, the first one we have 6 options, so 6. The second box we have 5. The third box has 4. The fourth have 3. So we calculate it. This one's 30. This one is 12. Then we get 360 number. 360 number that we can list out. If you want to list out 360 number, sorry, I don't want. I don't want to do that. So we just use this way to identify how many numbers. Understand? If yes, reply me P. If not, reply me L. Okay, good. So, all right, I skip this one. This is a number that if we list down all, Okay, this one also skip, never mind. All right, can you try out the first one? The second? Okay, the first one first. I give you maybe 1 minute to try out the first question. The answer is 15. BBB. Okay, very good. Okay, try out second one. Try out second one. The answer will be 6 and 120. Okay, good. Has it? Very good. Very fast. Very good, Jatai. Very good. The question number 3 is with condition. No? The condition is at least one lamp in the room will be switched on. This one will play the role. This sentence will affect the answer. Or who get the answer 32? reply me T. If you get answer 32, then you reply me T. But 32 is not the answer. 31 only the answer.
What's that? What's that first?
Okay, let me explain. But before I explain, can you get 32 or not? Cheta and Jen? No. Okay, Jen, can you get 32? Okay. You see, we have 5 lamp in the meeting room. If each, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lamp, each one have on switch. Okay, let's say the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many options for the first one? Tell me how many options for the first one? It's either on and off, right? It's on, off. So how many options for the first one? Tell me. Cheta and Jen, tell me how many options for the first lamp? Yep, 2 options. No, 2 options for the first one. For the second one, also have 2 options, either on or off. That's why here it say each of the lamp has its own switch. Oh, that means either on and off. So do not affected by the other lamp. Doesn't mean that one switch can on all the lamp, right? So everyone have 2 option, either on or off. Agree? If yes, please reply me T. If not, reply me R. If you don't understand, reply me R. If you understand already, okay, good. Now you see, I draw out a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first one, you have 2 options. Second one, also 2. Third, also 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So that means it's 2. If, let's say, I on all the, oh, okay, at least one is switch on. That means, okay, if I, okay, let's say I on all, how many options that I possibility that I can is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Oh, so this one is 2, this one is 8. 8 is 16. Wait, this one is 4. 32. Oh, that's why I say 32. You get 32 or not. But this one is either you turn off all and on, right? On and off, on and off, on and off. But why I get 32? Why the answer is 31? Because you see, at least one lamp is switched on. At least one lamp is switched on. That means you can switch on all, on. You can turn, you can on, off. You can on, off, on. You see, all this one can, right? All this can, right? But you cannot turn off all. You cannot turn off all. This is also one of the option in the 32. Do you understand this one? If yes, reply me V. If not, reply me S. That's why we have 31. At 32, we have to minus 1. This is off all. So we get 31. Understand? Understand? If yes, reply me okay. If not, reply me X. Okay, good. So, wait. Okay, before we go to the next one, we'll try out some exercise. Okay. Okay, try out these 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is the answer. 12, 6, 6, and 24. Wow, very good, Jen. Okay, good. How about this one? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good, Jen.
Bishop sacrifice.
Okay, G, number 7. Okay. Him can choose to go to office by car or by bus. So how many? Three consecutive, working day. That means OK，他可以选择用车或者用巴士。这样他如果有3天，第一天用车，第二天用车，第三天用巴士，或者是怎么样的话，所以他有多少种选择？如果有3天的话，这样的话你会明白吗，切呆？ 哦，就是说第一天，是说他现在有3天咯。然后 sekarang now he have 3 days. First one can you have 2 ways. Second one you have 2 way. The third one you also have 2 way. So 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. Okay, cetai. All right. So next one. Okay, this one you try out 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Okay. Hello, wait, let me check. Hello. Yeah, should be 120. Should be 120. Okay, so all correct, huh? If all correct, very good. Then let me check. Any more? Okay. All right. So this one okay already. Okay. Then I explain a bit about factorial. Factorial. Okay, factorial. Okay, if we have the sign, okay, when you look at your calculator, I show you. Okay, so you see this one. If you have this sign, the meaning is factorial. Factorial. That means whatever number, let's say we have 1 factorial, that means 1. 2 factorial means 2 times 1 equal to 2. If at 3, then 3 times 2 times 1 equal to 6. If you have 4, that means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equal 24. No matter what number is this, okay, until we have n factorial. Okay, n factorial will be the first number is n, right? Like see, 1, I say 1. So 2 factorial is 2 times 1. 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That means start with the n number. Let's say this is n, so we'll start with n time. Okay, we look at the 4 factorial, 4 times 3. What is the relation between 4 and 3? The mean is 4, then 4 minus 1 equal to 3 for the second one, right? 4 minus 1. When go to n, so go for the second one will be n minus 1. N minus 1. When go to the third one, you see 4 and 2. That means it's 4 minus 2, right? So the third one will be n minus 2. Okay, so the fourth one will be, you see, 4 and 1. So 4 minus 3. So n minus 3. And so on. And so on. Normally, so on, we will put on 3 dot, dot, dot. Understand? 3 full stop, and so on. Then, and so on what? Time 3, time 2, time 1. Why time 3, time 2, time 1? Because the factorial will end with 1. Okay or not? If okay, reply me G. If not, F. Okay, good. So let's say we have 10 factorial time plus 11 factorial. Okay, of course you can get the value from the calculator. So Chetai, you know how to press it? How to get the answer from the calculator? Yes. Jen, do you know? Okay, good. But how? Okay, find the value of each following. This one actually is you want to do it in the factorial way. So 10 factorial will time. Okay, 11 factorial means 11 times 10 factorial, right? Understand or not? If yes, reply me 1. If not, reply me 2. 11 factorial means 11 times 10 factorial. Okay, then you see 10 factorial, 10 factorial, this is plus. Okay, this is plus. So this one is actually like this. So if we factorize, we'll get 10 factorial bracket 1 plus 11. Okay, 1 plus 11 means 10 factorial times 12. So also can get the same answer. Let's try. Okay, 10 factorial times 12. You get 4, 3, 5, 4. 4, 3, 5, 4. 4, 3, 5, 4. How much? 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How about if we just calculate it? 10 factorial plus 11 factorial. You see, you get the same answer with it. So since you know, oh, thank you, Jen. You helped me to calculate it. Thank you very much. So if the case like that, can you please get me the answer for B? Try to get the answer for B. Make error. Ha ha ha. Yeah, the answer is not in the value. Bukan nombor, bukan dia nombor. Have the n and this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Chetai, can you get it? This one cannot calculate by using the calculator. Huh? Chetai still trying? B, okay. You see, as I say, if n factorial will become n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 and so on until 3, 2, 1, right? However, n minus 2 factorial, let's say the n equal to 5, so 5 times, if 5 factorial will become 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. How if n still 5 and then I say 3 factorial? 3 factorial, what's the relationship 3 with 5? 3 factorial actually is 5 minus 3, right? And no. 3 factorial is 5 minus 2 factorial, right? So this one will be n minus 2. If n is 5, so n minus 2. So if 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. So of course, if n minus 2 factorial will become n minus 2, start with this one, then n minus 3, and so on until 3, 2, 1. Okay, can you understand this one or not? If yes, reply me E. If not, reply me W. Keep silent. Say. Okay, Chetai. Chetai, understand this one or not, Chetai? W, okay. You see, okay, I redo it again. If let's say n equal to 5, so 5 factorial will become 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Then if 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, right? Then if n is 5, so n factorial become n times n minus 1 and blah, blah, blah until 3, 2, 1. So if 3 factorial, that means n minus 2. Am I right? If n equal to 5. So 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2 equal to 3 factorial, right? So of course, 3, you see, the 3 here, also n minus 2 for the first one. Then the 2 will become n minus 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2, right? Okay. So that means if this kind of questions, you just list down here and then you see, you look at here. This, okay, this one and this part. Is it same? Is it same? If this one and this one is same, so we can potong. So the answer will be n times n minus 1, which is n minus 1. Settle. So nothing to do with calculation. Nothing to do with calculator. That's why you say make error also never mind. Okay, Jen, understand or not, Jen? All right. So our lesson end until here. Next week I will repeat this one again because Haziq is quit already because he say his handphone is overheat. So never mind. Later on. So thank you guys for the lesson today. See you next week. And I think I will left the notes here, notes at the center together with the modern maths. Thank you guys. Bye bye.